Hello everyone, I am Shubham Nimje. Basically, I am pursuing the Pharma MBA and I am talking about one of the important topic, that is the brand element. Nowadays, many businesses get started, but if they want to build their brand, and it is very important to understand what is the brand as well as the brand element, because the brand element you support you to build your brand in a market. व्हाट इज़ ब्रांड? एकदम सिंपल और आसान भाषा में अगर मैं समझाऊँ तो ब्रांड होता है एनी कंपनी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग अ प्रोडक्ट एंड सेल दिस प्रोडक्ट और गिव द नेम टू दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट टू सेल और इस्टेब्लिश इन अ मार्केट by that name is called as brand, और यू कैन से द पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट इज कॉल्ड एज अ ब्रांड. आप ये भी बोल सकते हो कि आपके प्रोडक्ट और सर्विस जिस नाम से मार्केट में जानी जाती है उसको हम ब्रांड भी बोल सकते हैं. This is because of the particular name or the particular thing that can be market known to your product or your services. This is called as a brand. Got it? What is brand element? It is nothing but the different aspect or the unique aspect of your brand, like a name, logo, packaging and color, etc. This make your brand different from the other. और आप ये बोल सकते हो ये चीज़ आपके ब्रांड को मार्केट में रिप्रेजेंट करती है. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड एज द ब्रांड एलिमेंट. तो अब हम देखते हैं कि दिस ब्रांड एलिमेंट कंसिस्ट ऑफ हाउ मेनी थिंग्स. द फर्स्टली द ब्रांड एलिमेंट कंसिस्ट ऑफ ब्रांड नेम, सेकंड लोगो, थीम लाइन, शेप, ग्राफिक्स, कलर, देन साउंड, देन मूवमेंट एंड स्मेल एंड लास्टली द टेस्ट. तो चलो हम एक एक करके सारे ब्रांड एलिमेंट्स को समझने की कोशिश करते हैं और समझने के बाद उनको हम किस तरह से यूज़ कर सकते हैं. तो हम चलिए देखते हैं. Now first is a brand name, the name through which the everyone knows the brand belong to the which company. आप ये बोल सकते हो कि हम इस चीज़ से हम ये पता कर सकते हैं कि ये जो पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट्स है किस कंपनी से बिलोंग कर रहा है. तो दिस इज़ नथिंग बट द ब्रांड नेम. इफ़ आई एम टेकिंग सम एग्जाम्पल, लाइक आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द Mercedes car. By just seeing this car or by just seeing this logo, I can easily interpret it. This is the Mercedes car and it is belong to the Mercedes company. Second is the logo. The logo, it is the one of the good terminology. It is used in the marketing for the just like it is nothing but the symbol. Also important for the representing the company or the product or services. Okay. So if I am talking about the logo, then if you see particular product or services and that representing our logo, if you see the logo of that services or the product, then you can easily interpret it what company is manufacturing or what company it should be provide the services or the product. Then third one is the theme line. Theme line is just like a if we consider just example of the Nike, just do it, you can see the different companies using a different theme line for promoting their brand by using the theme line brand element. Okay, now move toward the shape. It is a kind of a shape we gives to our product name, logo for the representing it that create the customer attraction towards the brand. Like if I am giving the example of the Apple, you can easily get the understand what is the shape of that particular logo or the particular name. If I am taking the example of the Instagram, then you can easily connect with the square part and you can see in this image the what is the Instagram. And if I am getting the example of the Messenger, then you can easily get the shape of that particular Messenger. You can see all these images, then you can easily correlate with the shape of the brand element. Then graphics, it is the part of advertising of our brand by using some animation or by some movable things. Then you can, it is considered as a brand element in the graphics. Best example of that, this is a zoo using by the Vodafones in a particular advertisement to represent our brand as a different kind of thing. Now move towards the color. So what is color? You can study the color meaning to help you better attract or connect to your ideal customer. Like if you somebody consider the red color is like anger, so it is the psychological part, but it is impact. Like if we taking the example of the PayPal and MasterCard, you can see the images, then you can easily correlate with the how the color is using as a brand element for the making the brand. Now talking about the sound. It is nothing but the audio branding, also called as audio logo. It is like a music jingle, tone, or the speak something related to the brand. If we take the example of the fonts, they are representing in a very well manner. They are using a sound brand element for representing their brand by woogly woogly whoosh. This such kind of music or such kind of jingle, they are using the combination of that for promoting their brand as a fonts movement. Another brand element is the movement or how product shift or expand or condensate in its nature and functionality. If we giving the example of Lamborghini and automobiles brand, their trademarks is like a upward motion of their car doors. This is the example of the movement brand element. If you see the images, you can easily correlate that or the how movement brand element is work. And Lamborghini booked their trademark as a upward motion of its car door. Now move towards the smell. The smell of the brand also added to the overall element of the brand identity. Surely you are already known the success of this brand and its smell of new car. That is a Rolls Royce. It is a great example of every time when the car in a workshop they added a smell and they feel every time it's a new one. Move towards the taste. The last but not the least, the taste is another one of the crucial brand element that you can use the differentiate yourself in the market from the competition. Example, now we are talking it is the last brand element, that is the taste. Last but not the least, the taste is the another one of the crucial brand element that can be used differentiate yourself in the market from the competition. If you're taking the example of the at every McDonald's, the French fries taste will be same. Now thank you so much for watching my video and wait for the next video, that is the